It breaks my heart when someone says, I don't have a green thumb. Well, I don't believe in green thumbs. It's educated gardeners and non-educated gardeners. I don't think there's a fear in gardening, but I think there's a lot of self-doubt. You know, people maybe tried to grow something and killed it, and so they think, well, I don't have ability to grow things. And so if someone goes to the garden, maybe it's a mom with young kids and it's the first time to try it. Oh my gosh, I want them to be successful. I don't want them to get frustrated and go, gardening's not for me, because it's a world of wonder. You know, along with loving plants, I enjoy encountering people and talking with people and helping people. And AgriLife sort of gave me the chance to do both. I like to joke with my friends and say, I actually have the oldest original profession created by God himself, the Garden of Eden, right? I'm actually going right back to the beginning and doing what I think we were made to do, and that's enjoy growing plants.
Garden Success with Skip Richter, Thursdays at 12 noon on KAMU 90.9 FM.